India has launched a malicious propaganda against Pakistan on the pretext of some marginal incidents of violence at some places in the country. A report released by Kashmir Media Service said that by citing such incidents, which do take place even in the developed countries like the US and France, India is trying to give a false impression as if Pakistan is facing a civil war-like situation. Noteworthy is that majority of the tweets regarding the recent violence in a few places by miscreants in Pakistan are originating from India. The fact is, civil war in Pakistan is India's dream, and by spreading false propaganda against Pakistan, India can't cast shadow on Pakistan's global stature. Pakistanis are well aware of New Delhi's evil designs against their country and are united to thwart them. The report mentioned that India has the habit of using fringe incidences of violence in Pakistan to shift focus from its state-sponsored terrorism in occupied Jammu and Kashmir, while the fact is New Delhi can't divert world's attention from its terrible human rights record in illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir and across India by spreading lies against Pakistan. Political analysts, terming it an attempt to fish in the troubled waters, say that it is a shameful act from India by giving false impression of some kind of civil war going on in Pakistan, that too at a time when New Delhi is besieged by hundreds and thousands of protesting farmers, Indian national flag brought down from Red Fort, marginalized minorities crying, and Maoists killing Indian troops on a large scale. Meanwhile, in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the All Parties Hurriyat Conference has strongly condemned the reign of terror unleashed by brutal Indian forces on Kashmiri men, women and children in every nook and corner of the territory. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference spokesman, in a statement issued in Srinagar today, said Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir is facing a martial law-like situation where fundamental rights of Kashmiri people are trampled by the occupational forces during nocturnal raids, even in the ongoing holy month of Ramadan. The spokesman said the pro-freedom leadership is implicated under frivolous charges for demanding Kashmiri's legitimate right to self-determination. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference said youth are killed under the garb of anti-militancy operations. On the other hand, Indian Army has confessed that it has changed the color of its flags on military vehicles from red to white and blue to address the feeling of alienation among Kashmiri citizens. Experts on Kashmir, while commenting on the Army statement, said the Kashmiris see Indian forces as occupational forces and their alienation is directly linked to the very presence of Indian Army in the disputed territory.